Alright, so I'm going to need to create a new part. So just go to the plus there in order to make the wedge that I need to make. And then I'm going to start a new sketch right there. And I'm going to make some lines. And I need to make a triangle. And again, I should check my document settings. It's in millimeters. I need it to be centimeters. Centimeters, okay. Alright, so now I'm going to draw a line. I'm going to draw this thing. Needs to be, let's say 7.4 centimeters. And so that's kind of the base of my right triangle. And then I need to go, now this is going to happen quite often. Like I need to go 0.207, let's say, centimeters. And then from there, I'm still in line. What's going on? All right, from there, I'm just going to connect to here. All right, I have a very small triangle. It's really, really important for us to recognize kind of that that these triangles are going to be pretty small. That's why we're using the laser cutter to cut them out. And then, let's see. From this point, we just need to make it a solid. So I'm going to finish the sketch. I'm going to extrude it. And we're going to, yikes, extrude that by 0.32 centimeters. There we go. And that's basically what it's going to look like. So you can tell it's thicker than it was tall. So it's a pretty thin piece. But that's just how they look. All right, so just keep that in mind. That's how it's going to look. And then we can go back to this drawing. Might actually be a pretty good place to. I'm going to finish that sketch. This might actually be a pretty good place for us to put the other thing. Oh, am I going to have to... Oh. Oh, is this... I don't even know if this is in the same project. Alright, I need to save this piece. This is my wedge. Alright. Let's see if this drawing will let me put anything other than the wing. Doesn't look like it. Alright, so we're going to do a separate drawing for the wedge. Wedge, you get your own drawing from design. Create new. This one can be pretty small because this is a really small piece. I'm going to hit OK. That's going to take a while. There we go. And we'll put it right there. And we'll escape out of... Whoa! Measurement base view. Place that. I meant to put OK. 1-to-1. Perfect. All right. Hit OK. Delete that. Delete that. Delete. All right. And that's it. That's that one. So I'm going to save this file. This is wedge drawing. Beautiful. So you can save that, but then we also need to export that just like we did the last time. Current sheet, hit OK. And same place. There we go. All right, so now I have a couple exported PDFs, and I can then Mr. Wilkins, can open those as needed. So I hope that helped a little bit. We'll see what happens.